Hello everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to apply for resale certification in New York. The process is quick and simple. So let's get started. Apply for a resale certificate in New York. First you have to register your business for sales tax with the New York Sales Department of Taxation and Finance. The process is simple. You just have to be on their website, and on their website you have to create a business online service account. If you do not already have an account, you just have to create and register. But if you already have an account, you just have to edit your credentials and log in. After logging in, fill out the application for a certificate of authority, which legally allows you to collect sales tax and issue resale certificates. Once your application is approved, you will receive your certificate of authority by mail. Now, when making tax-exempt purchases for resale, use Form ST-120. It is New York Standard Resale Certificate. Just fill it out and give it to your vendor instead of paying sales tax on qualifying purchases. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.